Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday night. It's about 10:15 and we're going for a walkabout around the town. We haven't done one when it's been dark for a while, so it's completely different when it's dark. But let's have a wander around and look at the sights and the sounds of Blackpool town centre on a Saturday night here in Blackpool. A couple of the last videos have been a little bit too long, so I'll try and trim them up a little bit. At the same time, I like to capture as much as I can. So yeah, we're just in Dixon Road now. There's the array of takeaways over there. That's the one where I actually go, Mario's. Not that I actually eat junk food, but that's the one where I go. So yeah, I did mention about an update on my channel regards to the car park of the Holiday Inn. Yeah, it has got the go ahead. It is going to be a public car park, just as I thought. But yeah, there you go. Right, let's go for a wander around this glorious town and capture the sights. As I say, we come out later tonight, 10:15. I've had a sleep. Quite good. Yeah, sorry about that. Half footage there in Mark Kelly's doorway. I just bumped into somebody that I knew. But anyway, let's continue this walk through the town. Galley bar here on the right hand side. Busy in there. Busy in there. Yeah, we're heading down Queen Street now. On about it. It's all been police raided again with squatters. And it's all boarded up again. I noticed on the news. Right, let's try and get across this road. Right, yeah, a little bit of Queen Street, 31 Queen Street on the left hand side here. Oh, I'm just saying that. Shooting down equipment. Cowboy bar. Walk about there. Yeah, it's all colourful at night, isn't it? I miss the sunset tonight. The we go down there in a minute, down the Strand. Just show you the, yeah, I've missed it. I knew I would. After my sleep, it took me a while to get going. And shall I go out and shall I not? But yeah, hopefully you can see a bit of sky over there where the sun's gone down. Plenty more times to catch that. Potwell.
Where are we going?
Just shot the tower there.
Go anyway.
There we are, June. There's a shot of your favourite hotel at night time on a Saturday night. Shannigan's looks busy. Seagulls still out and about. Let's go down on the front, in front of the tower for you. Try and show you a bit of everything. Yeah, I'm not going to make this too late and too long tonight. Like I said before, I don't want to outdo my welcome. Just looking over at North Pier now the sun's gone down. Don't know what's coming out like, but a bit of reflection there on the sea where the tide's gone out. It looks good through the camera, but I don't know what's going to look like to you. But yeah, it's just a view there of all the lights of North Pier. Does anybody recognise this? I thought you would. There's the big wheel over there, if you can see it in the distance. I would think it's not a very good picture. And the main stretch down there, Coraline and so forth. I'm not walking down there today, because otherwise we'll end up making it too long a video. But yeah, it looks different at night, doesn't it? We're going to head back into the town now and have a wander around the town. Just sort of bring you down here and show you the tower. So forget the beach house there. Great views in the daylight, overlooking the sea there. Pushing out the tune still. It's always heaving in this Nobby's karaoke bar. I'm not a fan of it, to be honest. Town is so small to me, that's why you have to go round and round in circles sometimes.
No, you're taking a piss.
Yeah, we're back at the little Blackpool bar. Go and see my mate on the door. Have a breather. Certainly warm again tonight.
That's what he told me.
Yeah, my mate's a little bit busy at the moment and he's got inside, and I always come out dressed in black. People are asking me, right to go in, right to go in, so I just said yes. And I've cleared off now. I've cleared off. Oh, I don't know how long I'm going to be down tonight. Nice car.
Good, because according to this song,
It's so warm here in Blackpool tonight. I've just got a pair of black jeans and a black t-shirt on, and it's too warm, far too warm tonight.
You know what, though?
Yeah, as you probably gathered it, I've sort of come out of town now. I don't want to make it too long. If I do it every week, I don't know whether people want me to walk around the town every Saturday night. Maybe it's just, you're gonna, a lot of you will say, well, this is just the same old thing. And I don't want to hear that, so I don't want to overdo me welcome. Every day and every night and every corner can be different in Blackpool. It can change just like that, but yeah, I'm not quite feeling it tonight. I'm feeling really hot, and yeah, I think I'm going to go back. As I say, we've got some footage of what's going on in Blackpool Saturday night in the dark, which we haven't done for a while, have we? But yeah, I'll show you around. Everyone's enjoying themselves, so there's no trouble, and that's the main thing. But yeah, I'm going to head back home. I just feel really hot, and get a shower and watch some TV. So yeah, sorry if this one's a little bit disappointing and not as long, but we've got some content out. We've got some content out over the weekend, and hopefully you will find it entertaining. Thank you all to the new subscribers that have jumped on board on Saturday. Thank you for that, and hope you're going to enjoy the channel as well. And yeah, anyway, you're getting to that stage mark where you're starting to waffle, so you just need to say goodbye and switch your camera off. So thank you all again, everything appreciated. Bye bye for now.